Hey guys, it's all of Texas again, and watch how I did make my salmon, this juicy lemon salmon, in less than 5 minutes. So what I did was while coming back from work, I just stopped at Walmart and I got that salmon right there. I used what we're gonna be using today is salt. Grabbed my my garlic. I have oil at home. I got some of my basil leaves at home. So this is how I do it. It's gonna be straight to the hand. What I did was take out my salmon out of the pack, rinse it a little bit, and damp it a little bit. That way, I'm very sure it's not wet. You know, dampen me the salmon on both sides. What I did first was apply my paprika, apply it on both sides, apply a little bit of salt, took my garlic also, and also applied a little bit of my garlic also. And after I did all of this, I added a little bit of oil to it. It's right there because we want to make it juicy and all that good stuff. The first thing I did was apply my butter to the pan. Make it hot a little bit, not that oil, not that hot, but we want to apply a little bit of butter to the pan. And once we're done with that, we apply our salmon to it. Look at that guy frying. Take your time, no rush. Once it's cooked, you're sure it's cooked on one side. Try to flip it also so it could get cooked on the other side. Just take your time. Depending on how you like it, some people like it well done, some people like it medium done, but I like my juicy and well done. Flip it on both sides again. You see the color right there. It's giving me. I like that vibe. Can't really complain, but oh my god, this guy is really ready to be taken care of right now. But it's step by step. Just watch what happens right now. Right now, I'm just letting my salmon cook on both sides. And what I want to do right now is take it out of the pan, and I want to change the vibe a little bit. What I did was add a little bit of liquid lime, and apart from the lime, I also try adding few sauces to it. Just watch what happens right there. Just let it steam up a little bit. Apart from the lime, I added a little bit of garlic to it and let it steam up a little bit. So right now, at this point in time, the next thing I'm about to do right now is, apart from me being cooking, like just take your time, make sure your cooker isn't very hot. Once you're done with that, just apply your salmon to it. And what we're doing right now is we're letting that juice marinate into the salmon. You see right there, that's what I'm doing right there. I'm just applying that guy to the salmon. Don't forget to hit that like button and turn on your notification button, so when I shoot out my videos you can get them first, so you can be notified. So right now I'm just letting that guy marinate, letting that juice get into my salmon gradually. Just take your time, no rush. It's not even up to 5 minutes, but trust me, this guy, you can make this guy in less than 5 minutes. And right now I'm just letting it do its thing. Don't forget, apply that juice a little bit. Apply that juice a little bit on your salmon, and let's see how it goes right now. At this point in time, I'm ready to eat. And look at my end result right here. Yeah, that's my juicy salmon right there. Oh my god, that guy looks so good. Y'all should try this recipe at home and let me know how it goes. Let me know what y'all think, and let me know how it tastes. I want to appreciate all what you guys do. I want to appreciate the love you show towards this channel. If you've not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. And right now, I want you to subscribe to watch more. Thank you.